Now once you have the mesh prepared, it's now ready for your downstream application. And in this particular case, since we're using our visual CAD/CAM application, I'm going to go ahead and switch over to the mill module, where we can actually program some toolpaths in here. So once we have the mesh prepared, we can go into 3-axis machining, and I'm going to choose a parallel finishing operation in here, and I'll switch over to the tool tab to make a selection for the tool and program a toolpath. So we've imported an STL file, we've analyzed the model, we prepared the mesh, we fixed the holes and the gaps in the mesh, and now we switched over to the mill module to program some toolpaths in here. So now I'm going to go ahead and run a verification of the toolpath we just generated with the mesh module. So the mesh module makes a great add-on module for your existing visual CAD/CAM mill module, which can help you in fixing mesh geometries that you're working with, like STL files or point cloud data, which you can use for applications. So one of the applications could be like reverse engineering, where you want to bring in, scan data and you want to produce the parts from those. So you can take advantage of the mesh module with that.